So welcome guys to another section of our video. So in this section I'm going to show you how to create your workspace for coding and for building code related projects. So this is my desktop. You can save your folder anywhere. This is my desktop. I like saving most of my project files or clients projects on my desktop and accessing it from there. But what I'll do is I'm going to be using VS Code. So if you don't have VS Code, all you have to do is just go to your browser, search for VS Code, you can just say download VS Code. Okay, I'm not a robot. I'm going to fill it. Okay, we are here. So you can just click on this first link here. So if you are using Windows, just click on Windows. If you are using Linux, click on the one that suits your system there. And if you are using Mac, click on this. So I'm using Windows, I'll just click on Windows. Then it start downloading. We have VS Code like that. So that's how you download VS Code on your system. Okay, so let's assume that you have downloaded it completely, or what I'll do is I'll wait for it to download finish, then I'll install it so you can see the installation process. Okay, we are done downloading it, so it should be my download folder. You can just click on this download icon here and click on it, or you can just go to your folder, click on download and double click on that VS Code icon. You can see there, that's the application. So let's install it. So we have this okay, we have this, say I accept, next, click on create desktop icon. So that's what it means is that create desktop icon means that you should add that icon to your desktop so you can see it on display, something like this, because I have here already. So this one will just be like an update on it, but if you don't have, it just be like a new installation. So I say create a desktop icon, next, install, then you wait for it to install. It's that simple and easy. Okay, now it is done installing, so I'll just click on launch Visual Studio Code. Click on, so no, if you check this and I click on finish it to launch it, but if I don't check it, if I uncheck it and I click on finish to launch it, so that's successfully installed. So let's say you want to start a project now. What do we do? Because to build a website, you need your code editor. You can call it the ID2, Integrated Development Environment. And you need your browser to test it. You already know a browser like Chrome, Safari, Edge, Microsoft Edge, Mozilla Firefox, and so on. So I'll click on VS Code here, double click. So we have this. I have a project here already, so that's why I'm showing you this. But what I will do now is I'll go to file, then I'll go to new window. So if you have a project already, so if you don't have, don't worry, it to be blank. So I'll just click on new window. So this is what you should have. So we have this now. So you want to create a new project, you need a folder, because like I explained in the course that website is a combination of different files that perform different functions. So it means you have to create different files, because each of those files carry different codes that are making those functions possible. So what I'll do is I'll go to open folder. Oh, I won't even do that. Let me just close this here. Close this welcome. We have this. So what you do is go to file and you go on open folder. Okay, I'm trying to open a folder. Oh, I think I've forgotten. I need to create a folder here first. So let's create a folder. I want it on the desktop. So let's right click here, click on new, click on folder. So I can call it front end. So I have that folder like that. Then I'll go to my VS Code bar, click on file, click on open folder. It is on my desktop. I click on desktop. Then let's look for front end. Where is it? I click on select folder. Okay, and we have this here. So this folder is already in our code editor. Click on yes, I trust the authors. So let me close this. In this folder here, you can create new file, you can create even new folder under it. So this is new file, this new folder. So I can click on new file. So I can say I want to work on sample.html, because in coding or program generally, your file needs the extension that corresponds with the language you are working with. So I'm working with HTML now, so I have to sample then .html. But if I don't put that .html, your computer, your browser won't understand that it is a file that is meant to be run on the browser, and it won't be able to run it. So sample.html is important. Just like your audio, you have .mp4. Your video, you have your audio .mp3, your video .mp4, mkv, and so on. So I press enter, we have this. So let's say I want to just write something here. So I'll just type. I want to VS Code is that it has autocomplete very well, which will make it work easy. So just type HTML. Press tab. No, let me not use that one. HTML. So we have this. I can come here and say I was trying to use Emmet there. Let me just say h2 hello world. We have this. So how do I run this on my browser? Because you have to save. So use Ctrl S to save. Mine is on auto save already. So use Ctrl S to save. Or you go to file. You see save here. So you save that folder. But if you want to set yours to auto save, just go to edit. It should be edit. Let me see. No, it should be under file, sorry. And then you should see auto save there. I'm not seeing it. Okay, this is auto save. So if you click on it, it will save automatically. So if you now go to your folder, which is on desktop, look for front end. Okay, I've seen it. So see that it's showing this icon on Microsoft Edge, because Microsoft Edge is my default browser. So I can just right click. I want to open Microsoft Edge. I'll right click, go to open with, then open with Google Chrome. Then we have hello world here. So that's how you create your file and get your workspace ready. Thank you very much, and see you in the next video.